Now let's see this question, integral x into cos x dx. So here which one should you pick up as f of x and which one should you pick up as g of x? So you can use this rule, I let. Now there is no inverse trigonometric function, there is no logarithmic, but there is algebraic. Therefore you are going to take algebraic as f of x, which means this one is going to be f of x. Therefore f of x into integral g of x dx minus f dash of x. F dash of x here happens to be 1 into integral g of x dx whole dx. Okay. Now instead of this rule, if you would have chosen cos x as f of x, then what would have happened is here, see this, f of x into integral g of x dx minus f dash of x. F dash of x is going to be minus x sin x, and again integral g of x dx is going to be x square by 2. Now again if you see this, here itself again you might have to use UV form. Again in that UV form, again if you choose sin x as f of x, again it is going to be one more UV form, so it is never going to end. That is why sometimes using this rule you will be able to solve the questions, otherwise you might have to go in a lengthy process. Okay, fine. Now let's say you have chosen this way, and let's see the solution. Now x into, what is integral cos x dx? It is sin x. Why? D by dx of sin x is cos x, right? So again it is sin x. Now what is integral sin x? It is minus cos x. Why? D by dx of minus cos x is going to be sin x, right? And minus, so it is going to be plus. Got it? At the end just use constant. Okay, fine.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities, but whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is, we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.